Hey guys, welcome to the Adna Car show. This is just a quick video featuring my car at this year's show, and while there are a lot of car shows in my community every year, Adna probably topped the opening ceremony with the Star Spangled Banner, accompanied by Skydive Toledo descending with Old Glory.
Skydive Toledo, Washington, just down the street here. We've been there since 1973. Okay, we're getting swooped by some smoke. Everybody look up and say,
Oh, he's coming in quick. Wow.
let's just have her.
Here we go.
That's Brett Martin underneath the big parachute up there. He's the second generation owner. Everybody say, woo! You know how to tell if there's a skydiving at the bar?
Last one.
He wasn't. He didn't win thing, no.
Yeah. Coming in on an interesting angle here. Very cool. $65, $69. The only other Oldsmobile in the show. 4-barrel 4-speed on this one. $65. That's an ear breaker. It's a cloud. What a cloud. It's a good way to end the day, right there.
It is a beautiful ball.
Thank you.
The best hot rod.
Was not expecting to get a reward. Pretty cool. It's not every day. So, hopping on out of the show, gonna probably do so myself soon. But there's my buddy James here with his sick sandrail. 420 horse to the back wheels, turbocharged Honda 6-cylinder. Pretty cool little machine. Yeah, we're getting ready to rack it out of here, so got dust all over my car. I'll wash it up. Thanks for watching, guys. And on a final closing note, I actually managed to make it on the Chronicle on their website, which is pretty cool. Ridley Hudson took down some information of my car there. It's just one of the little side notes for the event. That's pretty cool, Ridley. Thank you so much. And thanks for the rest of you guys for watching.